Hi, my name is Jan. I'm one of the two developers who teamed up with Aura, the original builder of Wago Week Auras, to build Wago Addons. I thought it would be a great idea to record this short video to give you all an overview over what we've been doing here at Wago and why all of you can be really excited for what is about to come in the very near future. Developing World of Warcraft add-ons has become a very huge task, where some of them even reach complexities similar to enterprise-grade software. So we at Wago set out to append the developer compensation game for add-on developers, making it even easier for them to manage their add-ons, as well as for us as players who love to play the game using their add-ons to support them directly through our platform. But before we started all of that, we took the time, before we wrote a single line of code, to sit down and talk to the most popular and also smaller add-on developers and listen to their problems that they have in their day-to-day add-on developer life. One of those was that developer tooling, so stuff that helps them making their add-ons better, is really lackluster, to say the least. So we thought, why don't we incorporate modern dev technology like GitHub or the analysis of real-world user data to help them to have a better version of the add-on ready for you right at patch day. Shortly after our initial go live, we were tracking your feedback on Twitter, Reddit, and through our contact form, and we noticed comments regarding our terms of service. Let me emphasize that we here at Wago learn as we go. We always saw our project as a very iterative process where it's extremely important to hear your feedback to make the product even better. Our goal is never and will never be to take anything away from anyone, but to create a platform that is the most beneficial to add-on developers as well as delightful to use for players to keep their World of Warcraft add-ons up to date. So why did we build Wago add-ons in the first place? Wago has always been the go-to source for all Week Auras. By adding add-ons on top, we plan to build the most comprehensive repository of all things World of Warcraft UI with Wago. We know that we have an exciting journey full of hard work ahead of us to achieve that. Initially, we developed the add-ons platform as a separate website to really focus on building the repository and our upcoming desktop application, the Wago app. Over time, you will see the two platforms merge more and more to eventually become one platform for all your World of Warcraft interface needs. On top of that, I'm very happy to tease today that all of this will have a very positive effect on Week Aura authors as well, because towards the later part of this year, we will be working on bringing something similar like the developer rewards program to Week Aura's authors as well. Now that we talked about the platform a lot, let's talk about the Wago app for a second. In spring of this year, we will be releasing a desktop application that we call the Wago app. So this will be an application that lets you browse, manage and update all your World of Warcraft add-ons as well as browsing and updating of Week Auras right from the client. Our goal really is to eliminate the need to have multiple websites and apps to build together your World of Warcraft user interface. We know that building, maintaining and distributing World of Warcraft add-ons really is a huge task, and we want to make it even easier for developers to be supported by their communities right through the Wago app. Throughout the development process, we really plan to battle test the Wago app with as many World of Warcraft players as possible. So you can expect in the very near future for the first alpha invites to go out to everyone who signed up for it. Let me talk about our product vision, which really consists of three pillars. The first of which is a superb user experience for players. We want to make it as seamless and straightforward as just downloading the add-ons from our website or through our client and you're off to the races. At the same time, you will be able to manage your Week Auras directly in the app, and players will soon have the abilities to browse new Week Auras and update existing ones in the same location that they use to keep their add-ons up to date. Moreover, we want to enable users to produce their own content about their favorite add-ons, like tutorials on how to set up a raid frame add-on or how to make the best use of a boss mod. And these are just really my initial ideas. There's so much more to come and explore with user-generated content in the future. The second pillar is fair and transparent developer compensation. We at Wago will pay out the bigger part of our revenue to developers transparently and on a very fixed schedule. Developers at any time will have a transparent view of their monthly rewards, including a breakdown on how much they are set to make from rev share, as well as our subscription model. We are also exploring additional ways to reward developers, so making it even easier for players to support developers directly through the Wago app or the website. This will simplify the process a lot for developers since it eliminates the need to manage multiple subscription sites and tools for them. The third pillar is to bring modern software development and tools to add-on developers. So software development, especially on the web, has evolved extremely in the last couple of years, especially since the introduction of cloud computing. Our goal is really to bring those tools to add-on developers that they know and love from their day jobs right on the Wago platform. For you as a player, that means that you can opt into sharing usage and crash data with add-on developers so that they can improve their add-on based on this. This data will by no means be processed nor analyzed by us and will solely be used by developers to make your playing experience with their add-ons even better. If you ask an add-on dev today, getting reliable crash and usage logs is next to impossible, and fixing bugs on the PTR is a nightmare. So by giving them the tools we want to build, we will enable them to have the best possible version of their add-on live for you on patch day. To wrap things up, let me repeat what I said in the beginning. We are a small team on the tech side that really works hard to get things right. We will certainly make mistakes along the way, and this is why we are committed to listen to your feedback to make things right as soon as possible. By no means we plan to take any actions that are to the detriment of neither players nor developers. The only thing we really want to do is to create a platform that benefits all of us as players and developers by connecting the two groups together. We want to make sure that add-on developers are paid their fair share for the hard work that they put on a daily basis to make all of our playing experience even better with their software tools. That just wraps it up for today. So I hope this helped to really understand what we are planning to do here and that it gave you a clearer picture of what our product vision really is about. So if you still have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through our contact feature on the website or even hit us up on Discord directly, and we are more than happy to answer your question. Until then, stay tuned, subscribe to the newsletter to stay in touch, and we will let you know all the developments that are about to come.